Very good morning to all grade 10 CBSE students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of a very interesting chapter, that is the necklace. First of all, let's understand what is the title all about. The title revolves around a lost necklace. You would be in a better position to understand when I would be describing the summary. The theme of such chapter is that greediness is an evil. Whatever your standard is and your capabilities are, you will have to do things according to it. There are three characters in this chapter. Number 1, M. Loisel. Number 2, Matilda, husband and wife. And number 3, Forestier. Forestier is the best friend of Matilda. Matilda used to live a very average kind of a life. By average, I mean that yes, she belonged to a middle class family, but her demands, her desires, her fantasies were at cloud 9. She dreamt of all luxuries all the time. Whenever she used to meet her rich friend Forestier, she used to cry for the whole day. Why? Because she was jealous of her richness. And look at this. Matilda got married to a clerk. Again, she came to live in an apartment that did not suit to her fantasies. But unfortunately, she had to live with her husband. Whenever she used to eat, she used to think of the delicacies, rich food, rich dinner, luxury dishes. Her husband was very supportive. And how this is justified, I'll tell you. One day they got an invitation to attend a minister's party. Husband gave the invitation card to his wife Matilda. Husband means Loisel. You know what? She threw away the invitation card. Why? Because neither she had a good dress nor any jewels to wear. Her husband gave 400 francs to Matilda, and this was the amount that he had saved to buy a gun for himself. But he gave it to her. She was happy. She bought a dress for herself. And now look at her tantrums. She was not satisfied with her dress, because she thought that without those jewels, the dress has no value. Now she wanted a necklace. Slowly and steadily, I will justify the title in front of you all. Her husband was not fed up, but he suggested her finally to get that necklace from her best friend Forestier. That idea clicked Matilda also. She went to meet her friend Forestier. Look at the selfishness that this lady has in her. On one hand, you will find that Matilda is jealous enough of Forestier and her richness, her rich lifestyle. And on the other hand, look at Matilda, that she is going to take help from her friend whom she hates a lot, and she is jealous of her. So let's see whether Forestier would be giving her the necklace or not. Yes, she opens her jewel box and asks Matilda to take any of those jewels. She is so happy to see a diamond necklace, shining diamond necklace, and she leaves the place. In the party, Matilda was looking amazing, gorgeous. Everyone thought that yes, she is wearing a diamond necklace. That's human nature. Ultimately, our eyes will fall upon the shining things. But my dear students, all that glitters is not gold. As soon as they reached home, around 4 a.m., the necklace was missing. She was horrified. Husband was shocked that how come we would be arranging a diamond necklace and return it to Forestier. He asked his wife to make an excuse that the necklace has gone for a repair. but that didn't work because they could not arrange a necklace matching to that diamond necklace. They went to the police station. They even had sent an advertisement that they would be gifting someone, they would be awarding someone in case if that person returns that diamond necklace. That didn't work. Now again, salute to such husband. He gave away 18,000 francs that his father had given to him, but that wasn't enough. They had to arrange for 36,000 francs to match that diamond necklace. So M. Loisel, he started to borrow loan from his friends. Now the necklace was arranged. Finally, for 36,000 francs, they returned it to Forestier. But believe me, students, it took 10 years for both husband and wife to arrange and to come to a certain level. Reason why? Because arranging for such a huge amount, they had lost their apartment, they shifted to a smaller apartment. Second thing, Matilda started to work. She went outside to buy groceries and all so that they can cut down on expenses. Matilda's husband, he started to do multiple jobs so that he could earn money and return the loan. In 10 years now, they were in a position to repay the loan. Unfortunately, one day Matilda met her friend. And she disclosed the entire story that in these 10 years, look at what has happened to me. Matilda started to look old. Reason why? Because she started to move out in the sun. And now what happens? This is something very shocking. Forestier, she discloses that, oh God, why did you do that? Reason why? Because the necklace that I had given to you was not more than 500 francs. And believe me, they arranged 36,000 francs for a diamond necklace. So, dear students, the chapter comes to an end. What we learn from this chapter, again the same thing, greediness is an evil. Cut the coat according to the cloth. In Hindi, in case if you talk about this phrase, that is jitni chadar utne pair. Thank you so much, my dear students. You can log into my channel in the name of Desire Career Point, and apart from this, I am going to launch my application very soon, and you could see my live sessions also in the third week of September. I am Tarun sir. You can call me at 9839305466 for complete notes. Thank you so much.